Hello dear student, once again welcome in this class. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic, uh, discovery of nucleus, and the credit of discovery of nucleus goes to Rutherford, because first of all Rutherford did experiment by alpha ray scattering. Okay, so it is known as Rutherford's X-ray scattering experiment. Okay, dear student, Rutherford bombarded alpha particles on a thin gold foil. The thickness of gold foil was about 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter. And after the gold foil, here you can see this is the gold foil. This line is represent the thin gold foil, and after the gold foil, one circular zinc sulfide screen is placed. It is due to the detect of alpha ray diffraction. Okay, dear student, alpha ray suffered by detection. It is zinc sulfide screen situated here for detection of alpha rays suffered. Clear, dear student? So the alpha ray produced from polonium, a radioactive compound which is kept a box named lead block. Okay, in a lead block kept polonium, which is a radioactive compound, and it emits a narrow beam of alpha rays, alpha particles, that is alpha ray, you can say also alpha rays, and it passes through a narrow slit. Okay, and it, after passing through narrow slit, strike on the thin gold foil, and after striking, the ray diffracted towards all directions, and to detect the directions after the gold foil, zinc sulfide screen is placed. Okay, dear student, and observed that most of the alpha particles could pass undeflected through the gold foil. Most of the alpha particles could pass undeflected, without any deflection, pass through the gold foil, and some particles were deflected slightly from their path. A very few alpha particles were bounced back from their original path. Okay, to understand these lines, we have to draw another structure. See here, suppose this is an atom, structure of atom. Suppose, sorry, oh sorry, suppose this is an atom, gold foil. Okay, dear student, and something between the here get positive charge. Okay, dear student, after passing the alpha rays from here, most of the alpha rays could pass undeflected through the gold foil. Okay, few of the alpha particles deflected from their path like this, and most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil like this. Okay, now very few alpha particles bounced back from their original path, about 1 of 20,000. Okay, about 1 of 20,000 alpha particles bounce back after the striking middle. Okay? Yes, student. This is alpha rays. Okay, you can say alpha particles. Clear? Now, after the experiment, Rutherford concluded that there is a large empty space between the atom so that the most of the alpha particle could pass without deflected from their path, and the central part of the atom is heavy and positive. Central part of the atom is heavy and positive charge which due to which a few alpha particles suffer deflected. It is positive part, so some alpha particles after striking it deflected from their path. A very few particles out of 20,001 alpha rays come back from their original path. This shows that something kept in a center of the atom which had mass and having positive charge. Okay, dear student, after this one conclusion concluded that nucleus of an atom, this is known nucleus, okay dear student, and after that concluded that atoms, nucleus of an atom, first point, nucleus of an atom is very small, compared to the atom. Okay, dear student. Second one is it is heavy and positively charged. The nucleus is heavy and positively charged. Nucleus is heavy and positive charge. Okay, dear student. Third one is this shows that central part is very heavy and dense. Nucleus is dense and very hard and rigid. Dense, hard and rigid. Okay, dear student, this is the conclusion after experiment Rutherford gave. Okay, dear student, very important. Sometime ask question, which metal foil taken for the experiment in Rutherford X-ray scattering experiment? Gold foil. The thickness of gold foil 10 to the power minus 6 centimeter, and from where the alpha rays emitted from polonium, and how the Rutherford detected the deflection of X-ray detected by zinc sulfide screen kept after the gold foil. Okay, dear student. So in next video we will discuss about the Rutherford model of atom. In last video we have discussed about the Thomson model after the discovery of nucleus, and this is also known as Rutherford X-ray scattering experiment. and after that we will discuss about the Rutherford model of atom. Okay, thank you, all the best.